Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Today, I'm going to share the only hot tool that I need to go from a frizzy mess to a sleek, put-together woman. It's the LANVIER 2-in-1 Hair Straightener and Curler. Now, some people say that I have straight hair, but come on, this is not the kind of straight hair that anybody really wants. When it came time to replace my flat iron, I was looking for an upgrade that provided hair protection, but also had great functionality. This hot tool checks all of the boxes. It does heat up really fast, saving me precious time in the morning. The heating plates glide effortlessly through my hair, distributing the heat evenly for a smooth, glossy look every time I use it. And the 360 swivel power cord really ensures that I have tangle-free styling no matter which angle I'm working from. The full rotate control makes powering on and off really simple, and there's no more accidental button presses while I'm using it, making me lose heat. But honestly, what has truly sealed the deal for me are the stunning results it provides. Whether I'm going for a sleek and straight look or fun beachy waves, this flat iron never fails to deliver. I love that it has customizable temperature settings so that I can tailor the heat exactly to the style that I'm looking for without risking any damage. So if you're looking for an effortless salon quality hairstyle every day, this LANVIER 2-in-1 hair straightener and curler is a hot tool that you need to add to your collection. And that's my point of view.